Welcome YouTube, welcome YouTube. It's Feli Hemi Life here, doing an epic unboxing today. What is in the box? What is in the box? What is in the box? Just wait, I'm about to open it now. What could be in the box, YouTube? This is awesome. What is this? Oh, YouTube, you know I got a messed up hand. I'm working with a very sharp knife here. I'm getting it there, YouTube. Because it's what is in the box. What is in the box? All right, YouTube, it's here. Diablo. Do you see the little devil on the box? Diablo. Uh-oh. Do y'all know what this is? This is an unlocked PCM, YouTube. That's right. So I got the Diablosport with the unlocked PCM. Therefore, I don't have to swap PCMs. I don't have to send my PCM in. I bought the one with the unlocked PCM. Therefore, moving on from that point, we're going to open this box, YouTube, and see what's in here. What's in that box? What's in that box? What's in that box? Okay, so now we're going to open. Knives. It's kind of hard working with a knife with one hand. It's a little hard, YouTube, but I'm making it happen. It's a very nice box. High quality box. Fold open. Diablosport, YouTube. Do you see that? It's beautiful. Diablosport. Do you see it? That's what comes. Oh, that's nice. It's a Trinity. Come with a couple of stickers. Quick start guide. The monitor. It's nice. Nice. That's the connection wire. Standard USB kind of device. And there's the mount with a couple of zip ties. So yes, YouTube, Diablosport Trinity. It's here. So later on, I'll be doing an install, and I will have an install video for you. So as of right now, that's all for the epic unboxing. Thank you, YouTube. Signing out.